Imagine this. You're playing outside, having fun in the sun, when suddenly a mosquito lands on your arm. Buzz! Mosquito! You swat it away and keep playing. But what if I told you that tiny mosquito might have been carrying a secret package? Gift? A package from one of the strangest insects on Earth, the Botfly. And here's the big question, hand pointing to the right. What happens if a botfly lays an egg on your skin? Stay tuned because the answer will surprise you. Hello, super kids! My name's Professor Paws, and welcome back to the channel where learning is always fun and full of surprises. Today, we're going to uncover the weird and wonderful life cycle of the botfly. Without the scary stuff, let's jump right in. The botfly is a unique insect that lives in warm tropical places. Unlike butterflies that lay their eggs on plants or bees that build hives, the botfly has a much stranger plan. It doesn't put its eggs directly on people. Instead, it asks for help. Can you guess from who? From a mosquito, or sometimes even a housefly. That's right, the mosquito becomes the botfly's delivery helper. Here's how it works. A botfly lays its eggs on a mosquito. The mosquito then goes to feed on a person or animal. When it lands on warm skin, poof, the eggs hatch instantly. Egg hatching. And out comes a tiny larva. Think of it like a baby bug, except instead of living on a leaf, it finds a cozy spot just under the skin. Now don't be scared. It's not usually painful. The baby larva stays under the skin, where it's safe and warm. At first, it's very small, but day by day, it grows bigger. Sometimes people notice a small bump that might feel itchy like a mosquito bite. But after a few weeks, the larva is ready for its next step. It wriggles out, plop, drops to the ground, and transforms into an adult botfly. Strange? Yes. Gross? Maybe a little. Fascinating? Definitely. Here's something cool to compare. A botfly larva growing under skin is kind of like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. Both start small, change their form, and grow into something completely new. And here's another fact. Botflies don't usually hurt people seriously. Doctors can easily remove the larva if needed. They're actually much more common in animals like cows, monkeys, and even deer. So while it sounds unusual for humans, in nature, this is just one of many weird survival tricks animals use. So, what happens if a botfly lays an egg on your skin? A tiny larva might grow for a short while, it could make a small bump, but eventually it comes out and continues its life cycle as a fly. It might sound creepy, but it's another reminder that the natural world is full of amazing mysteries. Wow, super scientists! Isn't nature surprising? If you liked this fun fact, give the video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. And here's a challenge for you. Can you think of another insect with a really weird life cycle? Share it with your friends and keep the fun going. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and always keep learning. Bye-bye, kids!